Hola, buen día. Mi nombre es libni Rodríguez, pertenezco al programa de agronomía. Mi número de grupo colaborativo en el curso de inglés es el 1224. Aquí está mi documento. Va. Entonces, hello. My name is Libni Pantevis. I am American. I am from Colombia. I am 24 years old. I am a student and study agronomy at UNAD. I like to spend my free time with me daughter. I live in Garzon, and I'm going to tell you a lie about this great city. Garzon is a small city that is located in Huila. It has great stories among the balcony the Huila located. About a kilometer from the town center, the Jagua, an old and colonial town where the Festival of the Witches is celebrated every year. 7 kilometers away, the most traditional food here are excluding pig from Huilense, tamales, and delicious covered rice. San Peter. Entonces, the main celebration of my town is San Pedro, which of the neighborhood church is considered to participate inside, right, and to choose the vets to represent us. There is also the great food parade where the participated from the smallest to the oldest. Here we carry out an entirety of activity that occurs to us among them are the Taitapuros paradise for the end of the year, the color rides, the fires and cavalcades, and much more. I hope you can visit us one day because it's allowed with every nice people who will always welcome you with a big smile. Thank you.